Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you a method which we require while sharing links on a CPA platform or any social media platform. When you share links of other third parties, you're not supposed to share the direct link. Say for example, you have a product which is sold by a third party and you're doing an affiliate marketing of that, then you're not supposed to share the original link on social media platforms, for which we need some software which can shorten the URL, and that shortened URL can be shared on the social media network. So I am going to share with you 5 such tools which are free of cost, which will shorten the URL, and some of which can also make you earn some extra income. So let me begin with free versions of tools with Bitly. So here, as you can see, there is a site called as appbitly.com where you can create shortened URL for the URL that you are going to share. So we have to enter the actual URL into this long URL field, and Bitly will automatically create a shortened URL. So once you create that, there is a button called as create. So it will actually create and show it on this screen of the dashboard. So as you can see here, I've created many such links earlier, and it also shows you the analytics of how many people have clicked or how many people have viewed this particular link. So I've been using this for a very long time now, and it's a very good tool. No issues so far. So if you guys are looking for any shortener, then you can go in for Bitly. So the second website that shortens the URL that I'm going to share with you is the tinyurl.com. So as you can see here, I had used this 5 months back and there are 29 clicks. So I rarely use this. I mostly go in for Bitly, but this is also a very popular and very useful shortening URL. So the process of shortening the URL almost remains the same across all websites. You will have to give the original link into the enter the URL field, and when you make tiny URL, it will create a alias shortened URL for you. So you can either use the alias tiny or any one of the following domain names. So it's preferable you can use any of it. I use tinyurl mostly. So this is also a very good tool for shortening the URL. So the third tool which I'm going to share is the Cutly. So here, this is also a free version. So creating the tool is the same. Creating the shortened URL remains the same. You will have to copy the actual URL into this field. Then when you click on shorten, say I'm going to click on this, and then if I click on shorten, then it's going to create a shortened URL for me, which I can copy and share it on social media. So the copy button is here. There are other properties as well which you can add, but normally we don't need this. So if in case you have created a wrong shortened URL, you can remove this link. Yeah. So this is the process of creating the link. It's similar across all platforms, and it's a very simple technique. So this one is again a shortening URL website, but the advantage of this is with the number of clicks that you get on the shortened URL, you can earn some extra income. So normally it's $0.001 per click, and depending upon how many clicks you have got, your amount increases. So the process of creating the URL remains the same, but the advantage of this is you can earn some extra income. As you see, I had created a few links earlier, but that link was not that popular, so it has not been viewed. so my earnings are almost zero. So you can also shorten your URL using Saute. So this is another free version of shortening URL, and also it is a means of creating some extra income. So as you can see, the number of clicks that I've got, I was able to earn some few cents. So if the number of views are higher, you can earn more. So as you can see, if you get total of 100 views, you get $1 bonus. So that's the advantage of these CPA based sites where you can earn some extra income. So as you can see, the stats, the URLs that I shortened using this, they were not that popular and have not been viewed. So my earnings are almost nil. But if you have a very good traffic and you know that you can get number of views, you can use these sites to create some extra income. So if you like this video, please subscribe and comment so that I can create more videos of such sort, so that it can help you guys. And if you're digital marketers, please do like this video, and thank you for watching.